Alright, so this is my Golf. As you can see, it's just caked in mould and stuff. Bumpers are looking crap, very grey, so we'll sort them out. Cobwebs everywhere. The mirror's on its way, so ignore that. The windscreen is caked in crap. New sunroof seals looking great. Glass is caked in crap. Door handles looking grey. These trims, after I've washed that, I'll pull off, clean up behind, and then it'll be easy to clean the actual trim as well. Obviously the arches need to clean. The boot ideally needs a bit of a, well, the whole car could do with a respray, but the boot especially, you can see, I mean, it's always had this since I bought it, but ever since it's been sitting and being exposed, I mean, the paint is completely flaking away. So don't know whether to keep it like a patina look or maybe just get that black decal that covers the boot. Don't know. That's also going on here as well. Look. So I need a new chrome badge, I think, because that's letting it down a bit. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Clean this little beaut up.
In my head. Yeah. Far away from home, imagination roams. Everybody's wrong. Rewrote the song. Thoughts become action. Tell me what's happening. Wish your mind wrapped in, wrapped around, wrapped around. Wish your mind wrapped in, wrapped around. Psyche sabotage. Your Nikes need a job. Portraits in the fog. Filter out the smog. Information log. So fast the past recalls. You back the future stalls. Fade to black the present calls. Pull out some liquor but the homies lost. But the homies lost. Pull out some liquor but the homies lost. Gone away, I'ma make you stay in my head. Hella memory. Those voices in my head. Those voices in my head.
Alright, so finished washing it. It's come up well, but I mean, it needs a full machine polish, definitely. Tons of little marks and scratches. All little ones here, a few here, a few on the door. I mean, there's some everywhere, probably on every panel, to be honest. I think the thing that's going to make the biggest difference is the roof. I mean, just look how faded that is. Absolutely no gloss whatsoever. I did do the bonnet last year, so but that will need to be going over again, but that's roughly what I expect it to look like across the whole car. And then we've got these scratches here, which I'm hoping, praying actually, that will come out. I think they will. Some of the deeper ones might need a bit of wet sanding, but can't do much about that. So yeah, That's the game plan.